Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I'm Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discussion topic for interpretation of linear mixed effect model in OriginPro. We already uploaded for the how to analyze linear mixed effect model in OriginPro. The continue part of the video in interpretation in linear mixed effect model. That video discussion for the interpretation topic. So the interpretation of linear mixed effect model. The analysis investigated the effect of treatment type on plant growth using a linear mixed effect models, where before the plant height is a fixed effect and the plant is a random effect. The key result are the follows. Fixed effects of parameters, the before plant height show a statistically significant positive effect on plant growth. The profit t value is equal to 4.73372 e power to the minus 11. The p is equal to 0.001 with an estimate of the 0.77221. The intercept of the fixed effect is also significant. T is equal to 2.73366 and the p value is equal to 0.00833 with a value of 13.88875. So the second one for the random effect parameters. There are significant variations among the plants and treatment types, indicating random variability across the treatment and plants. The treatment C plant 2 show a significant negative intercept T is equal to minus 2.37443, P is equal to 0.02097, while the treatment is equal to OM, organic manure. Plant to show a significant positive intercept T is equal to 2.83739, P is equal to 0.00629. The third one for the model statistics, the model explains a large portion of the variability in the data with an R squared value of 0.99072 and an adjusted R square value of 0.98808. The interclass correlations coefficients ICC of the 0.94651 indicates that most of the variations is to do difference between the plots. So the table of the interpretation linear mixed effect model, the parameter for the fixed effect and the table present and the random effect for the table present, the treatment control and plot 1, the estimated value, standard error value, t value and the significance value. So totally the 6 treatment, the treatments control and plot 1, treatment organic manure and plot 1 and treatment chemical fertilizer plot 1. So the same also the next one table for the random effect variations and the important for the model statistics table present in the R square and adjust R square value also. So the next one of the interpretation of fitted plant for linear mixed effect model. The provide scatter plant visually evaluate the fit of the linear mixed effect model to the observed data for plant after plant height. The plant interpretations observed value, the black dot represents the actual observed values of after plant height. Those values are distributed across the different row order, reflecting the variations in the plant height after applying the treatment and accounting for plants as random effect. The fit value, the red dots, that represent the model fit value of after plant height, represent by the LMM. Those fit value are overlaid on the observed value to assess the model's accuracy in the capture the variability. The visual fit assessment, The fit value closely align with the observed value across the most of the data points, indicating that the model performs well in explaining the variability in after planned height. The alignment suggests that the fit effect before planned height and random effect for treatment and plot account for the variations effectively. The minor deviations between the fitted and observed the value exit, particularly in the regions where the data points expected more spread. Those deviations are minimal and do not compare the model's overall fit. The overall model performance. The fitted plants confirmed that the linear mixed effect model successfully captured the relationship between the before planned height and after planned height, while the interrupting the random variability across the treatment and plot. Those match between observed and fitted value is further supported by the high R squared 0.99 and interclass correlations for 0.95 value reported yearly. So the next one, the interpretation for the residual plot in linear mixed effect model. The figures provide a comparative diagnostic analysis of residual for the linear mixed effect model. The four subplots evaluated the assumptions of normality, homogeneity, and independence of residual. The first one for the top left, the residual was row order. The scatter plot assesses the independence of the residual over the row order observations. The residuals are randomly scattered around zero without a clear trend, suggesting that the residual are independent and no temporal or sequential base exist in the data. So the next one for the top right, residual histogram. The histogram of residual reveals a row systematic distributions centered around the zero. The most residual fall within a small range with no extreme outlier, the supporting the assumptions of normality distributed error. So the next one for the bottom left, residual west fitted plots. The scatter plot evaluated homogeneity, concerned the variation of residual across the product value. The residual appear randomly scatter around the zero without any noticeable funnel or curve, confirming the assessment of concerned the variations. The next one for the bottom right, the normal probability plot, QQ plot. The QQ plot compare the observed residual with the exact quantized from normal distributions. Most residual closely follow the diagonal lines, indicating that the error are approximately normality distributed with only mirror deviations at the tiles. So the last of the conclusion part, the interpretation of linear mixed effect model. The linear mixed effect model successfully explained the variation in after planned height using the planned before planned height as a fixed effect and accounted for random effect across the treatment and plots. The diagnostics residual plot confirmed that the model assumptions of normality, independence, and homogeneity are satisfied, as evidenced by the random scatter of residual systematic histogram and strong alignment with the diagonal lines in the QQ plot. The model demonstrates a rough fit in the data, as supported by the high statistical performance metrics, example R square is equal to 0.99, indicating it is suitability for capturing the variability in the plant height within the given experimental structure. This is for the interpretation of linear mixed effect model in OriginPro. Any doubt on this interpretation video, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the our channel subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.